Hello and welcome to managingwithmoney.com. In this video we are going to talk about the various levels of interest when you borrow money from different sources. Please have a pen and paper ready and take as many notes as you like. You can also rewind the video at any time if you're not sure about any points we make. At the end of the video there will be a short quiz. Once you have completed Managing with Money course, we will total your marks and issue you with a certificate of achievement. In this section we want to show the different levels of repayments on a loan of £300 and the different amounts of interest you will pay back. Remember, you will have to pay back the original £300 you borrowed, and then you pay back the interest on top of the original £300. The first example is a loan shark. Loan sharks operate outside of the law. They prey on the vulnerable and needy members of our society. Watch our video that is dedicated to how to deal with loan sharks. If they ever approach you, or a member of your family, or a friend. Okay, let's look at the interest rates that each lender charges and how much in total you have to repay. The first example is a £300 loan from a loan shark. You will pay back £55.20 a week for 52 weeks, or 1 year. The interest paid is £2,570. When the original £300 borrowed is added, the total is £2,870. This is the most expensive loan we have ever come across. The next example is a payday loan, 52 weekly repayments of £16.85. The total interest is £576. When the original £300 borrowed is added, the total is £876. Nearly 3 times the amount you originally borrowed. The next example is a loan from Provident, who are a finance company. Again, the loan is over 52 weeks or 1 year. Your repayment will be £10.50 per week. The total interest is £246. Again, the interest is actually more than the original amount you borrowed. When you include the original £300 borrowed, the total is £546. The next example is 5 Lamps. They are not really a traditional finance company. They are classed as a community development financial institution. They are a not-for-profit company. You will find their interest rates very competitive. Plus, you do not have to be a member to borrow from them. If you want to find this type of company in your area, go to Google. Search for Community Development Financial Institution in my area. Your repayment will be £6.75 per week for 52 weeks or 1 year. The total interest is £50.76. The total you pay is £350.76. The best example we have is a credit union. You have to be a member. Search Google for credit unions in my area and find out how you join. This is the cheapest loan you can have. You will pay £6.44 per week over 52 weeks or 1 year. You will pay only £19.28 in interest, and the total you will pay back is £319.28. This is the best value for money loan we can find. Our last example is the Social Fund. This is not really a loan but a grant. You pay no interest and no repayments. If you are in real hardship, it's always worth applying to the Social Fund. Again, use Google to find out more details. I hope the above will help you decide who you borrow money from and show you how important it is to get the lowest interest rate possible before you sign any agreement. One of the simplest ways to find out how much interest you will pay is to do a very quick and easy calculation. Most mobile phones have calculators built in. So this is how you do it. If, for example, you wanted to buy a flat-screen TV, for example, we will use the Samsung Smart 4K Ultra HD HDR LED TV as an example. At the time this video was made, you could buy this TV for cash for £454 from the co-op. Or you can buy the same TV from Bright House. Their cash price was £563.01. Now if you take hire purchase from Bright House, they will charge you £9.74 per week for 104 weeks. All you need to do now is put £9.74 into your calculator. Then multiply by the number of weeks, which is 104. That will equal £1,012.96. This is the total you pay back. Now you minus the original cost of the TV, which was £563.01. This will leave you with £449.95 interest. This is how much extra you have paid on top of the price of the TV. Just think what you could have spent that £449.95 on, perhaps a holiday or a DVD player. The other important thing to remember is, if you buy and use an HP agreement to buy things, you could be halfway through your agreement and for whatever reason you may not be able to pay the payment. Bright House will have the legal right to repossess your TV. Bright House can then sell your TV at auction to try and recover the outstanding amount owed. You may lose all the monies you had paid in payments, and they may also take you to county court for the remaining difference that is still owed. It may be a better option to look for a personal loan at a lower interest rate, to buy your TV from another shop with a lower cash price. We hope this video has shown how expensive borrowing money can be when you borrow from the wrong place. We all need to borrow money at different times of our lives to get the things we need and want. The thing to do is, if you have to borrow, always borrow from companies offering the cheapest interest rates. If you search Google first for interest-free TV, you may get monthly payments and without any interest. It's always worth researching items you want to buy first, and try not to fall victim of impulse purchases. Please see below this video and answer the questions. And thank you for watching.